How to group records in Airtable. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll be learning how you can group records in Airtable, so kindly watch till the end. The first step is to log in into your Airtable account, alright? Once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page, by the left side, you'll see the home option, etc. And at the middle of the screen, you'll see other options as well. So as you can see this, the next step is to select the base that you would like to um work on, okay, the base whose record you would like to group. So after selecting the base, you will be brought to the base interface where you can edit the base to your taste. And the next thing to do is to wait patiently for the base to load. So once that's loaded, you'll be brought to the page where you can see your base, where you can edit your base, where you can make it look the way you want. So as you can see this, in order to group your records, all you need to do is move to the top part of the screen where you can see the views tab. In this tab, you can see the current view you're on, you can see hide fields, you can see the filter option, you can see group, then sort, color, share and sync. So just go ahead and click on group. After clicking on group, a window will be displayed or a small box will be displayed asking you to pick a field to group by. So just click on that, and then after clicking on that, click on the group again or the field again. Then you have to select the field to group by. After selecting the field you group by, the next step is to select the way you want it to be grouped. Do you want it to be grouped from in an ascending order or a descending order? Select the order you want, and then you can add subgroups if you want. Um, and this subgroup to entail other fields, okay? And this subgroup will be within the actual group you picked first, and just like that the group has been done and made. All right, so you can also select the way you want this to roll. Do you want from first to last or from last to first? Just select it, edit it the way you want, and then you will be good to go. Okay, this is it. As you can see, my record has been grouped. Very simple. Ensure you try this out. All right, thanks for watching.